You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is k equals -2/9. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the k. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/9. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is k equals -2/9.